guys, welcome back. So we just made it to Kite Beach from the Dubai Mall. We took a taxi and we paid around 30 dirhams. It's actually 27, and taxis here usually start from 5 dirham. And this was recommended by a subscriber on this channel to explore Kite Beach and to walk to the Burj Al Arab, which I'm actually sighting right now. Thank you very much for the suggestion. That's a beautiful mosque behind me. It's a bit windy. This place is well known for kite surfing and so many activities, so I'm guessing there'll be a lot of people here. I can hear sounds of children already, but we're just gonna go find our place, rest a little bit, and then walk around the beach. So see you guys in the rest of the vlog. The beach is still under construction. As you can see, there are pillars behind me. Whoa, it's really windy. Done swimming. Now we're gonna walk the length of Kite Beach towards the Burj Al Arab. The day is so cloudy. Practicing surfing, right? Yeah.
You know how to do it?
No, I've seen it before.
So easy, okay.
Wait, you're from the Philippines, right?
What?
You're from the Philippines?
Yeah. And you?
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Lots of helicopters around here. I'm guessing helicopter tours. Like every minute you hear something going over your head. That was a freaking long walk from the Kite Beach Burj Al Arab. We're not going inside today. We've had a long day already, so this is where I'm going to sign out. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.